There are new concerns about the mumps in our community. A number of confirmed cases are showing up even beyond the college campus where they were first reported. Local 12's Liz Bonus is following this story from the first cases reported. That was on the University of Cincinnati campus to the new numbers just confirmed. Liz?
Hey guys, good afternoon to you. The University of Cincinnati first began notifying students of at least 2 unrelated confirmed cases of the mumps just before the end of the school year. At the time, they asked for anyone with flu-like symptoms to be tested for the mumps and to check vaccinations. This second advisory just went out this week, and it says they have now confirmed a faculty member and 2 additional cases of mumps. Again, they do not appear to be related. Today, I spoke with preventive health specialists on UC's campus who say what this shows is that mumps is in our community. Because it's highly contagious with close contact, they again want people to check vaccinations and be vigilant for symptoms that can lead to serious complications.
We are calling this an outbreak now because we have at least 3 confirmed cases. And it's important, because it's person-to-person transmission, that we let the community know that there is mumps here in our community. Not that they have to be outrageously concerned, but if they're having any symptoms of fever, swelling in the cheeks or the jaw here, make sure that they check their immunization records, call their provider. It can affect the testes, causing an orchitis, and that can be very serious for men, both in terms of penile function and fertility. And so that's one of the major concerns that we have and why we want to prevent this disease.
Now, mumps is spread like any other virus. That means usually by saliva or mucus from your mouth, your nose, your throat. You can infect others by coughing and sneezing, sharing cups, as well as through intimate contact, even touching surfaces without washing your hands. Important stuff we all need to know, and we will continue to update you as we know more.
Well, your doctor can test for mumps and tell you if your immunizations are up to date. UC Health is still inviting students and staff to report mumps-like symptoms to University Health Services for testing on campus.